Guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be reviewing the special features of the Tecno Spark 40. So let's go over to the settings. Here we have some cool features. First, let's just do a quick recap of the phone's features. This is currently a 4 gig RAM version. It runs on the Helio G81, a rear camera of 50 MP, front camera of 8 MP, battery size of 5200 mAh. It's an LCD display. It runs on Android version 15, and we are not expecting any major updates from this phone when compared to the Pro and Pro Plus. So that is actually a downside. But the phone, so far, I've used this phone for about 10 months, and it has actually been worth the price. It's actually a low range phone. It's not really a mid range, neither a flagship, but it has some of the good features of flagship phones. It's like the 45-watt charger, charges the phone less than an hour. Yes. Also, some good features includes the screencast, that is the screen mirroring, also known as the so this gives the phone the ability to put in your content on a wider screen, in this sense, the television. So when you connect it, you can game, you can watch premium content on YouTube, but this time on a wider and bigger screen. So another cool feature of this phone is the Tecno AI. Most of us that have used this phone are actually very familiar with it. So I'll just do a quick run through. That's the AI gallery, which helps to remove images that are unwanted or extend images. For example, the AI eraser can remove images that I don't want, and it will erase it successfully. You can see this, that's what it did. So we have other features like the Ella voice assistant, helps your daily tasks, day-to-day tasks, and helping you summarize documents, help you solve problems. You have the document assistance that also does summarizing and extracting key information from documents. Writing assistant help you improve your vocabulary. AI wallpaper generator can help you generate premium and good taste wallpapers for your daily usage. So we also have the arrow remote, which helps in controlling your air conditioners without the use of the remote that follows this air conditioners. Can also help in controlling your electronics such as your DVDs. Yes, so this is a very important feature and is usually common in flagship phones. So this is a very good feature for the low range phone. Actually, it's not really common. We have other features such as the free link, which help you make phone calls without airtime. So but the drawback of the free link is that it has to be with another person that uses similar device to this, so you can't really necessarily just use it for any device. Any device that has the free link option in this phone, and you can use it to make free calls, and this device also has to be 30 meters from the other caller, so you have to be very close to the person before you can make such phone calls. That's a good feature because it helps your daily tasks. Maybe you and a fellow worker that work in the same place but can make calls with this feature. My overall experience with this phone has been mixed. The phone runs with a G81 processor, That's not really an heavy duty processor, just meant for light gaming, watching TikTok videos, YouTube's videos, use for your normal texting. Everything you do with the phone, you have to ensure that you don't stress the phone that much. The phone is actually not built for heavy duty task, just light gaming, normal calls, messages, watching content, create content. That's basically it. Please like and subscribe to my channel.